Just got an idea for more views.
Say hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. My sweet little girl. Wanna petty whoop? Wanna petty whoop? Yeah. No? No. Who's your softie? Who's your softie? Yay. Yay. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Who's your good little girl? Yes, you are. You are. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Penny. Hi. He's so cute. Love you, Penny.
And this is Griffin.
Hey, Griffin, my old man, my cute little puppy. Say hi. 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 Yes.
Get Griffin.
You silly puppy. Look at you, puppy. Say hello. 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 Yeah, you know. I know, my little woolly pony. What good girl, yay. Yeah.
She really likes getting her belly rubbed. Every time I go and just pet her all over. She always wants to be. It's always her belly that she loves the most. Gotta know your dogs.
Look at this puppy. Look at you, not you. You. They're so cute. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. How can you see your go? Too cute faces like these. You can't. You can't. You alright, Penny? You alright? Yeah, you can't say no to cute little faces like these. Yay! Oh, what a softie. You're opening up on camera. That is nice. That's nice. That's nice too. For you to it's just a softie. It's a softie. You love getting your belly rubbed, don't you? Yeah. 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 Just love getting your belly rubbed. Just love getting your belly rubbed.
Also, sorry if I sound like a girl at some points.
It's just love talking like this to my little babies. Hear me, little babies. My babies. Yay. Yeah. You alright, Griffin? You alright? You alright? Say hello. Hello.
Go. Go. Camera.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. That is adorable. Look what we have here. We have some nice fluffy doggies who are willing to share this cute little talents on an internet video. It's gonna be pretty short, isn't it? Especially compared to my LP videos, right? Yeah. Yay. Yeah, she knows. She knows. She knows. Oh.
Griffin's trying to scratch his back over here. He's my little roly-poly. He likes rolling around on his back. He's gonna fall off the couch, and I can't do anything about it. Except try to stop him. That was nothing.
It was nothing. You just wanted me to pet on you. Yes, yes, yes. It was nothing. It was nothing. You didn't want to be pet. Look at the face. Look at you, no doll face.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. These are my dogs. This is
Penny? Say hello, Penny. You don't want to look at the camera?
that's Griffin.
Griffin, look at the camera.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You guys are good doggies.